Hi everyone, welcome to Connective Technologies. Today I am going to explain one more important interview question in GL. How many validation types and value data types are there in chart of account value set level in GL model? Okay, let's go and have a look on it. So once we log in into the application, go to your user account. There we have a setup and maintenance, and within that functional area, just select the financial reporting structure. So here we have a manage, manage chart of account value sets. Okay, just click on it. So just click on create option here. Okay, and within that, while we are creating the any value set code, let's take BYD company. So we are creating this value set code under GL model. So select the general ledger. So here we have a validation types. So here we have a different validation types like format only, independent, dependent, subset, table. So now I'll give the on the fly answer. So where we will use it exactly. So independent means what are the value set code which we are creating. It will work on independently and we will associate all the chart of account value set values individually. That means it won't depend on any other value set to pull the data to maintain that particular value set values. So that's where we will use this independent values. Mainly we will use it for company code, cost center, all our main segments. Next, if you take dependence, so this dependence means again it will depend on independent value set code. Let's take in the fixed asset model, we have a like a machinery, it's a major asset, and under that machinery we have a generator, power backup. So that is a minor asset. So that means when you are creating the minor assets, it will go and pull that value and it will be managed with the combination of major and minor. So in this case, major asset is machinery, minor asset is generator or a power backup. So in this case, major asset we will maintain as an independent value, minor asset we will maintain as a dependent value because as a support asset we created as this generator or a UPS power bank. So that is the reason why that asset we will create as a dependent. So mainly we will use in the fixed asset model dependent value set code. Then next we have a format only and we have a so this format mainly we will use it for a if you want enter any DFF free text value directly in the global DFF value in the any particular page or a configuration level, transaction level, we will use it for a DFF purpose. And at the same time, we have a table. So this is mainly used for you can select for a any where class related data if you want pull. Okay, so let's assume I am in a lease accounting. I am creating one invoice, lease invoice. So in this case, whenever the lease invoice is generated for the respective landlord, so in this case, if any advance or security deposit made in the AP. So in this case, that particular AP level, so any prepayment happen against that landlord, that I need to populate in my lease accounting level with the help of DFF. So in this case, here I will write the from where class. So all AP invoice lines, there I will put the column name prepayment. Then accordingly, we'll put the prepayment type, the invoice number it want picked up. So like that, we will put up some condition. So this we will write down with help of our reporting team. They are good at the SQL, SQL and all. So accordingly, they will give query. Then based on that, that values it will display in our list creation DFF level. There we can select the direct our prepayment invoice number while we are creating the any list for the respective landlord. Okay. So mainly we can say DFF purpose we can use this. Okay, to extract the data based on the table and column format with the help of where class. So this subset also it's equal to dependence. So we have to create a one respective value set code. By using that we can get the values. Okay, so that is the use of these all validation types. So the next one, if you take independent, there we have a character. So this is mainly used for value set codes for company cost center. So and apart from that, we have a number, date, time format. So this we will be mainly used for DFF purpose. So I want to enter one particular numeric value as a transaction number. So in this case, if you create any DFF, it will add only number format. If you want to add both number and alphanumeric value, number as well as alphanumeric value. So in this case, you can select the format and you can use a character. Then if you want to use any date format DFF, we can use this. Date and timestamp format, you can use this. So mainly DFF, if you are selecting format only, at that time, these three we will be used. Even four also we can use, depend on the concepts how you are using. Okay. Yeah. So this is the use of validation types, value data types. Very short note. I hope you guys will understand. But I given on the fly. It will try to understand. I mean, as per my experience, I given good only. Let's see. Okay. Thank you guys. So thank you for watching. Have a good day.